Mala Pashto la Garazi and Urdu also Tora Tora. I'm from Benin, West Africa. Benin is a small country in West Africa near to Nigeria. And I'm a student here at the University of Agriculture, Peshawar. I'm studying biotechnology and field. I applied for a part-time job and I saw it on my Facebook group, research group. I also want to learn another skills like how to make sticks, how to make these things, how to manage a restaurant and everything, because life is not only about studying, it's also about being in a lifetime, like how to manage the workspace and everything. So I decided to gain another experience that will be useful for me in the future. Pakistani people, especially Peshawar, they are the best people I ever met because they are kind, they are friendly. From my department to the restaurant, every time when they come, it's not like, okay, you are serving them, but it's like they are serving you. But I say, no, I'm here to serve you. And like they just treat me well, they are kind, they are cooperative, and everything is like, it's friendly environment. In Pashto, Mala Pashto la Garazi and Urdu also Tora Tora. So I know a bit of the words like Apoherale and how to receive them, how to take the order and how to kitna. They will ask me the price and I will give them the price and everything. We discuss everything and I will make the order. I will be graduated soon because I have completed my research work and my plan is to go for PhD in Australia, UK and Canada. Canada is my first priority.